The XSD file type is a schema. It creates the rules for an XML file. It's just code. Developers use it to validate data. You can read it in any text editor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it in Notepad++. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic XSD corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. An XSD file defines the structure and data types of an XML document. It acts as a blueprint, specifying the elements, attributes, and relationships that are allowed within a valid XML file. XSD files are crucial for ensuring data integrity and consistency when exchanging information between different systems or applications. XSD files are written in XML and adhere to the XML Schema Definition language. They use elements like 1M to define the structure and data types of XML documents. Parsers use XSD files to validate XML documents against the defined schema. In most cases, XSD files work reliably with code editors. Windows is unable to perform a full checksum validation required by this file type. Windows exposes script text, but its logic only functions in the right scripting environment. Your key action: right-click the XSD file and select Open With. If Code Editors is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the XSD file opens successfully. If your XSD file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, use Code Editor, IDE. Open the file using a code editor, VS Code, Visual Studio, to view the structured XML schema definitions. Next, Validate XML. If an XML file is failing to validate, check that the XML file explicitly references the XSD file in its schema location header. Finally, use Schema Validator. Use an online XML schema validator to check the structure of the .xsd file itself for syntax errors. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.